As the world is in lockdown to stop the spread of the coronavirus, gender-based violence has been on the rise, with victims stuck at home with their abusers. Since quarantine began, more women have been reporting abuse in the Middle East and North Africa. In Lebanon, calls to domestic violence hotlines increased by 110% in March 2020 compared to the previous year.
We're living hard times on many levels, especially in Lebanon. The system, the corruption, the failure of the government, in addition to the worry and anxieties around the health pandemic. But I just want to bring up the importance of not forgetting the pandemic of violence as a key public health issue and a real pandemic that can affect us even in our safe homes.
Verbal, psychological, physical, and sexual abuse are all forms of domestic violence. Organisations like Abad are advocates for the development of policies and laws that enhance a woman's role in society. Their team of activists, lawyers, consultants, social workers, and researchers are adopting a holistic approach to provide protection and support services, helping not only Lebanese citizens, but also refugees and domestic workers. Since the start of lockdown, 11 women have reportedly been killed in Lebanon, and the number of those requesting access to emergency shelters has increased to 4 to 6 women per week.
Comparatively, we serve usually through the shelters like an average of 340 women. This year, we have this number even before, we're already in the first quarter. Between being threatened to be killed, those with some suicidal thoughts, those asking for emergency safe shelter because their life is in danger. Many are calling as well for some livelihood support, and they're saying he's gonna kill us and kill me and the kids because we don't have food at home, and he's getting very furious.
Skype counselling sessions are being held for victims and for men who have a history of violence as a preventative measure, while campaigns have led to a wave of victims seeking support discreetly through social media and online, rather than risking their abuser hearing them on the phone.
In Lebanon and in the MENA, women issues and women protection is not a topic of being prioritized by government, and sadly, it's not being even accounted and integrated within the emergency response plan of health. The least to say, it doubled the magnitude of the problem. And we're hoping that the lockdown will not be prolonged for longer, because it might be leading to really devastating and drastic implications.
Many women avoid reporting abuse, as fear of defamation and social pressure play a role in discouraging them from contacting the police or seeking help.